Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make smoky jollof rice. If you like your jollof rice to have a smoky taste or flavor, try this method. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned and find out how I make this. I'll start by seasoning my chicken. So I'll be adding salt, thyme, stock cube, ginger powder, and the blended onion and scotch bonnet mixture. Then I will stir and cook until tender. So while the chicken is still cooking, I'll start by slicing the tomatoes. I'll add the sliced tomatoes into the oven tray. Slice the red bell peppers. In the red bell peppers, I'll also slice the onion. Slicing the onion, I'll be adding the sliced red bell pepper, onion, ginger and garlic into the oven tray. I have already preheated my oven so that I will grill the chicken and also add the tomato into the oven. About 45 minutes, the tomato have roasted properly, so I'll be adding them into the blender, add a little water, then blend into smooth puree. Fry the tomato, I'll be adding oil into a preheated pot. Into the preheated oil, I'll be adding tomato paste. I'll be stirring and frying it for about 2 minutes. Frying, I'll be adding the blended tomato mixture. Stir and continue frying. While the tomato is frying, I'll be adding some bay leaf, curry powder, stir everything, add stock cube. I will stir, cover and allow to simmer. Tomato is still frying. Wash your rice, then I'll add them into a pot, add some water and parboil for about 6 minutes. When the rice is parboiled already, I will rinse it with cold water, then allow to drain. The tomato sauce, then I will stir, add some chicken stock, taste for salt. I'll be adding some salt. Then I will cover and allow it to simmer. While the tomato sauce is boiling, I will add the parboiled rice, stir everything together, cover the pot and allow to cook. When I notice that the water in the rice have dried up, I'll be stirring everything together. Then leave to cook on a low heat. I will cover it with foil paper and allow to steam on low heat so that the rice will cook properly. After some time, I will check on the rice. You will notice that the liquid have dried. I'll be adding my mixed vegetables. Stir, then I will cover again and allow to steam for about 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, turn off the heat. Now your smoky jollof rice is ready. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned.